Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic. The topic name is direct and indirect speech. As you know about the previous videos, the rule of changing the direct to indirect speech, some of the rules, and after that you also know how to change the pronoun in a direct or indirect speech. So let's discuss today about the tense. Okay, now we are going to discuss the tense changing. So let's see here. First, if the reporting verb in the present or future tense, there is no change in the tense of the verb in indirect speech. It means if there is a present tense and the future tense of the reporting verb, there is no changing into the reported speech. Like this, you can see here. It is a reporting verb and it is a reported speech. So first you watch the word these words. When you see it is a reporting verb and reporting verb has a verb in a present tense or the future tense, then there is no any changing into the reported speech. Like this, they will say that they did not quarrel. So you can see here that if there is a present or future tense of reporting verb, there is no change of the reported speech. As you can see here, example that removing the comma and muted comma in place of these, we can use here that conjunction and the pronoun change according to the object of the subject of the reporting verb, and we is the first person and here they is a third person, so we change according to the third person and it is a plural number, so we can use here plural number. And the tense is present tense, it is a simple past tense, so there is no changing of this tense. As you can see here, same statement or same words right here. So this is the first rule of the tense changing. Now next you see here the tense, in which condition we can change the tense. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, all the present tense of the direct speech are changed into the corresponding past tense. Like this. So first use know very well the part of direct speech. One part is the reporting verb and second part is the reported speech. If the reporting verb in a present tense or the future tense, then we cannot change into the reported speech. If our tense of reporting verb in a past tense, like this, is here, like this. This is the reporting verb and this is the reported speech. If your verb of reporting verb in a past tense, in this condition we can change the reported speech. Okay, so in which tense we can change it? Like this. Simple present tense change into the simple past tense. Here, have you seen here example? He said, I agree. So I agree tell us about the simple present tense. Simple present tense. Present tense. So this simple present tense going to be simple past tense. So here see, he said that. So he said it is a reporting verb and in place of comma and inverted comma we use the conjunction word that, and the I change according to the subject of reporting verb, then I can change into the he, and here agree first form of the verb, and it is referred to as a simple present tense, and this simple present tense change into the simple past tense. So here we can change easily into the simple past tense, and this is the rule. We can change simple present tense into the simple past tense. I hope you all understood it. Now next we talking about the next tense, present continuous change into the past continuous tense. Okay, if our reporting verb means first part, if our reporting verb in a past tense or the past tense, any part of the past tense, then we can change the present continuous tense into the past continuous tense of the reported speech. So let's see here. Here this is the reporting verb and this is the reported speech. So reporting verb, it is a past tense. In which tense? It is a past tense. So we can change this tense. It is a tense of reported speech. So this reported speech, if there is a present continuous tense, then we can change it into the past continuous tense. So here the reporting verb is they said, and after the removing the comma and inverted comma and use the conjunction word, and this V word change according to the subject of the reporting verb. It is a first person, and first person always change according to the subject of reporting verb, and the reporting verb is a third person and it is a plural form, so we can use here they. And here are playing it to tell us about the present continuous tense. So these words going to be changed into the past continuous tense. So are going to be were and playing is playing. It is tell us about the past continuous tense, and remaining words write as a said. So this is the rule of the next present continuous tense to the past continuous tense. I hope you all understood this part is also. Now next we talking about that the present tense change into the past perfect tense. Present perfect change into the past perfect tense. So let's see here. It is a reporting verb. As you know that the first part of the direct speech is going to be reporting verb, and it is the reported speech. Reporting verb, it is tell us is past tense. So we can change the tense of reported speech. So here reported speech tense is present tense. So we can change it into the past perfect tense. So sentence is going to be, he said that he had made a mistake, and now you can see that have changed into the had and made it what third form. So it is going to be third form already, and only we can remove this word and change this tense. It's clear? So we can say that easily present perfect tense change into the past perfect tense. Now third rule, next rule is 1 minute. Now next rule is present perfect continuous tense change into the past perfect continuous tense. So as you know that here is the tense. Take example of the present perfect continuous tense. So see here, direct speech is here. Simon said, I have been living here for a long time. Okay, so this is the part of reporting verb. This is the part of reporting verb, and this is the part of reported speech. So first see the tense of reporting verb. It tells us about the simple past tense or the past tense. Then here the rule, according to the rule we can change the tense of reported speech. So here the reported speech tense is present perfect continuous tense, and now it's going to be in form of past perfect continuous tense. So the when we change it into the indirect speech, the sentence is going to be Simon said that he had been living there for a long time. Then you can see in indirect speech the comma and inverted comma remove, and in place of comma and inverted comma we use the conjunction word that, and I change according to the subject of the reporting verb. So it is a singular number, then we can use here singular number subject. Here the third person, so I going to be in the third form of the subject. So here is a he and have been living. It tells us the present perfect continuous tense, and we can change it according to the rule of the direct and indirect narration. So it's going to be had been living, and rest of the word you can write here living. And now you can see here third thing is changing here, that here is going to be there. So it is a adverb changing. Now when we discuss of the next part, then we also know about this type of the changing. So I hope you all understood. This is the present part of the direct to indirect speech. So in the next part we are going to discuss about the next part of the simple past, past perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous, and the will and shall. Okay, so it's complete. Now we made to the next video.